Good morning, my name is Thomas Alvarez and I'm with Freije Freije Auctioneers. We're here at the World of Wheels in the great state of Indiana at the Indianapolis State Fairgrounds. These 3 cars are part of 47 cars that were seized from the investigation into Jamie Knoll. Jamie Knoll was a sheriff in Jeffersonville, Indiana, who unfortunately was caught embezzling some money, and he is now going away to prison. And we are going to be selling these cars to help recoup some of the money that was embezzled, and we'll be selling them at the French Lick Casino in French Lick, Indiana. This in particular is a 1970 Plymouth Superbird. It is a real Superbird. It is number, I believe, 316 of about 700 Superbirds built in 1970. This is a really cool car. It's not perfect by any means. I would say it's a true driver quality. You can tell there's a couple minor imperfections in the paint. You know, some things don't quite fit the way they were supposed to. But one of the really cool things about this car is just how big and how hard it is to make all these body panels line up, to make the nose cone fit with the fenders and the wing and everything. It's truly miraculous what Mopar did with this kind of car. It is a 446 barrel. It is a 3-speed automatic, and it's going to be selling no reserve. This right here is a 1970 Plymouth Superbird. It's got a 383 cubic inch V8 and a torque flight automatic. This one's special because it actually comes with the Ramcharger airbox, which was a special option on this particular year of vehicle. It even has some vents that there's a little lever under the dash that you can pull, open up the vents for when you're driving in the winter to keep the heat in the vehicle. This is a really cool deal. This is a 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. Has a real 426 Hemi in it, has an air grabber hood. It is a 4-speed manual, because if you were going to go back then and get a 426 Hemi, you did not want to buy an automatic. You wanted to go ahead and get it with the manual. That way you can have a lot of fun with it. This car also will be selling no reserve in French Lick, Indiana. If you want any information about any of these vehicles, as well as some of the other 47 vehicles that were seized from Jamie Knoll investigation, hop on our website, buyfreije.com, and you'll be able to check out all the inventory as we add them, as well as an awesome collection of glass and collector globes. And I'm actually going to be having about 40 to 50 awesome restored Honda mini bikes. Come out May 2nd and 3rd. It'll be Friday and Saturday, and come pay us a visit. Thank you.